This is release question number 7 for the geometry CST test, and we have this. It says use the proof to answer the question below. We're given that angle 2 is congruent to angle 3. So when they give me stuff, I'm going to mark up my picture with the appropriate marking. So that is congruent to that right there. That angle is congruent to that angle, 2 and 3. And from there, we're trying to prove that 1 is congruent to 4. So it looks like we can't assume things like alternate exterior angles here, because these are alternate exterior angles, but based on what's here, let's see what we can prove based on what's there. So the angle 2 is congruent to angle 3, that's given, okay. Angle 1 is congruent to angle 2, and angle 3 is congruent to angle 4. So look at the picture up here. Why is angle 1 congruent to angle 2? Why would this one and this one be congruent? Well, I hope that's clear to you. That would be vertical angles. If the angles form two perfectly straight lines together when you put them together, then you have vertical angles. The same thing holds true with angles 3 and 4. Vertical angles 3 and 4 are vertical angles right there. And so what could you fill in right there? You could say vertical angles theorem, or vertical angles are congruent. And it looks like that the latter thing I just said there, vertical angles are congruent, is what they're looking for right here. So number 7, vertical angles are congruent. And again, it looks like they're not assuming that we know alternate interior or alternate exterior stuff yet at this point. So just based on vertical angles, we could say that's congruent to that, and that's congruent to that. Then by that transitive property, if a first thing is congruent to a second thing, and you can also do second thing to the third thing, and the third thing to the fourth thing. So notice how this goes to this, and 2 goes to 3, and 3 goes to 4. We can just go through the line there. The first one would have to be congruent to the fourth one based on that.